Looks like we caught Tommy drinking some coffee.
Hi, my name is Tommy with SKEYEwatch. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to one of our latest product innovations called Skyview.
Ooh-wee, Skyview. I can't wait to hear about these product innovations.
An amazing vehicle camera system packed with features and technology that is literally saving the transportation and trucking companies millions of dollars in revenue per year.
Did you say I could save millions of dollars? I could buy a couple more trucks with that much money.
How, you may ask? Well, if you haven't heard, fleet operators are targets for all kinds of insurance claims. Claims such as property damage and vehicle collisions. Oftentimes, these companies aren't even sure if they're legitimate or who's at fault.
That's just crazy. How did these companies deal with these illegitimate claims in the past?
Many times, these business owners would just throw money at the problem with the hopes it'll go away.
You mean they'd make it rain, like up in the club?
When this becomes normal behavior, it tends to get very costly. It also starts to bring out the snakes and sharks that are looking to make a quick buck.
Ew, I do not like snakes.
AKA insurance fraudsters. Many fleet operators thought a smart dash cam was the answer, until they later found out that dash cameras were missing important viewing angles, or the footage was choppy and low quality.
Okay, so what you got over there for us, Tommy?
After observing everything that's been going on in the industry, we at SKEYEwatch decided to create a better solution. A better vehicle camera platform suitable for the entire trucking and transportation industry. Welcome to the Skyview vehicle camera system. Nothing gets by Skyview.
Woo, all right.
Our commercial fleet and truck camera system offers more viewing angle perspectives than any other camera solution on the market. Our vehicle cameras are capturing surveillance from nearly 360 degrees, so you'll never miss a beat. There are many, but here are just 2 reasons why our vehicle camera system is so awesome.
Number 1.
Instant access. When you need to view video surveillance fast, nothing is faster than instant.
You got that right.
Our cameras are connected with cutting-edge 4G LTE mobile technology. This allows fleet managers to log in remotely into their online dashboard and get instant access to view their cameras in real time. Managers can also access the DVR and download previously recorded footage from the same dashboard. Now fleet managers have an unobstructed, undeniable video surveillance right at their fingertips to protect their assets and drivers from being falsely accused. Pretty cool, right?
Right on. What else you got?
Here's another neat feature, GPS tracking. Now monitoring the location of your fleet is easier than ever. You can track your entire fleet's location data in real time directly from Skyview mapping system. You can also access the instant live video broadcast directly from the map with just a few clicks of a button. There are so many more amazing features packed into this camera platform. Call us or visit us on the web to request a full feature demo. We look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.